Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your profile picture on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now to change your Facebook profile picture, let's open up our Facebook app first. And now you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen, just below the home icon. Tap over there. And now you can see your profile picture over here on the center of the screen. Tap on your profile picture first. Now if you want to change your profile picture directly, you can see the select profile picture option available over here. Or if you want to just to view your profile picture, tap on view your profile picture like this. Now to change it, again tap on it and you can see the select profile picture option available over it. And you can see the select profile picture option available over here. Tap on that. Now you will be taken to the camera roll where you must choose your Facebook profile picture. Now for me it will be this one, and let's save it. And there guys, we have successfully changed our profile picture on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.